All right, part two. Took that front, that rear left entire top off. It's gonna look like that. All right, so little warning. There's little white clips up underneath here, and as you can see, when they get pushed in, they don't come out. Now, pulling up, you could, but you could possibly risk breaking them, like I did this one, and this one by pulling up, even though you can see it's meant to be pulled out from the top. It's just that these little plastic pieces are so brittle. This is a 2007, so going on 14 years old. So these little plastic pieces are really brittle. So either way, that's pretty common in a Hummer. A lot of these small plastic connections, fasteners, and things like that, they'll break. So what I'm thinking about doing is finding something similar and possibly just keep that down a little more, or just removing this one, putting it here or here, and I don't know, living with it, but we'll see. I'll be back. Oh, you don't have to pull out this whole thing, just peel it back. You can see it right there. You gotta unplug that. That's your rear left signal light. And I'll show you what the right looks like here in a minute. Part 3.